Hey guys, it's Ruby and I'm back with another Get Ready With Me video. I arrived home from Hong Kong on Saturday and I seem to have picked up a cold or some sort of a flu. So you can watch me get ready as I try to look awake and normal and just happy to be alive, because right now I just feel really under the weather. So when I'm sick, I have no color to my face whatsoever. My complexion just looks so flat and lifeless and my lips are extremely pale. My eyelids are also a little bit more discolored than usual. So the aim of the game is to make myself look healthy and well rested. Using a brightening complexion corrector is the perfect pick-me-up for your skin, especially when you apply it before you put on your makeup. I used Anox's brightening CC cream and massaged that well into my skin. And now it's time to apply our primer. I love this primer by Benefit because it evens out the surface of my skin. It fills in your pores and also smooths out any fine lines, creating a nice smooth canvas for your foundation. I also have a bit of a temperature, so this is going to stop my makeup from melting off. The foundation that I'm using today is by Max Factor. It's one of their newest foundations and it's called the Skin Luminizer Foundation. This particular foundation is really going to help pick up my skin. It's great at capturing light, giving the skin a healthy glow. Something that I really need right now. I'm using my Sigma flat top kabuki brush to stipple and buff this foundation into my skin. And soon you'll have an even and healthy looking complexion. Onto the eyes, I'm going to keep my makeup nice and simple and I'm only going to be using a few products. I'm using CoverGirl's Bombshell Shine Shadow today and I'm going to be using this as both an eyeshadow and an eye primer. It looks really pale and shimmery at first, but once it settles into the skin, it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be defining my crease area by running a little bit of Hoola bronzer through my socket and also on my lower lash line to define my lower lashes and also make the little bit of puffiness that I have on my eyes recede back. Diffuse everything out by using a clean fluffy brush, then move on to defining and bringing some color back to the face and the cheeks. I'm using my Hoola bronzer once again and a big powder brush, and I'm just going to be applying this bronzer all over my face just to darken up my complexion and give myself a healthier glow. Applying a light dusting of powder all over my skin helps bring back some color to my face. I really miss my warm color, and when you're sick, you definitely look pale and green and disgusting, so it's great to know that you can fake it. Now it's time to cover up those bad under eye circles because I haven't been sleeping. To be honest, I've had a blocked nose and it's just been a nightmare trying to fall asleep and stay asleep. So what I'm pretty much doing is applying a yellow undertone concealer underneath my eyes and also around my nose because I have been blowing my nose. I mean, I am sick. So I'm just going to also apply this on the high points of my face because this concealer is slightly illuminating, so this is just going to brighten my face further. And to blend that in, I'm just using a smaller synthetic face brush by Real Techniques and I'm just patting the product into place. And doesn't that look so much better, guys? The power of makeup. Now it's time to set my concealer just around my nose in place because I'm going to be blowing my nose and stuff like that. So gotta make sure that my hard work stays in place. And now it's time to add some color to our cheeks. I'm going to be using my Max Factor blush and I'm going to be applying this on the apples of my cheeks. With whatever product is left over on the brush, I'm just going to apply this all over the face so that my skin has that healthy pinky glow to it. My face looks extremely lifeless when I'm sick and I really need to fake it with makeup, and thank goodness there is makeup so it looks like I'm well rested and that I'm not sick at all. So that it looks like I've gotten a full 8 hours of sleep, I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Kohl Kajal in Nude and I'm going to be lining my tight line and also my waterline, and what this is going to do is open up the eyes and make them look a lot brighter. It's also going to conceal the redness in the outer rim as well. Onto the mascara. I really love mascara because it really makes my eyes look open. Without it, I look so tired, so I'm going to be applying generous coats to both my top and lower lashes. I'm going to be using one of those double-ended mascaras by Max Factor, but I'm only going to be using the first end. And I'm concentrating most of my mascara just in the center part of my top and lower lashes. And concentrating the mascara in this section helps open up the eyes even further, making them look more awake. I'm also going to fill in my eyebrows really quickly. I can actually skip this step altogether, but I do prefer to add something towards the tail of my brow because it is a little bit more sparse in this area and it adds a little bit more shape as well. And to finish off this makeup look, I'm going to be using a long-lasting lip cream all over my lips without a lip liner. This one that I'm using is by Essence and it's super affordable. I love the finish, I adore the formula, and the lip color itself is like my version of lip color but better. And with long-lasting lip creams, I like to apply it using the applicator but use my finger just to spread it out. And now it's time to just sort out this mess, I guess we can call it. It takes forever for me to straighten my hair, and I've got naturally curly hair, so I love pin straight hair. My hair isn't particularly long, but I do have a lot of it, which is why it feels like it takes forever. The straightener that I'm using is by GHD, and I've had this one for years. If you have thick or coarse hair, you will really benefit from having one of these hair straighteners. Now, I have no talent when it comes to my hair. I cannot coordinate my arms to blow dry my hair straight, so I really do rely on my hair straightener to get the job done for me. So I like to go over the ends of my hair a few times just so I can get them pin straight. And oh, here we go. I think I'm going to sneeze or blow my nose here. Okay, it's just dripping. So, it's not as bad. But yeah, it's not really good when you're sick. I feel terrible. Meh. Anyways, like I was saying before I rudely interrupted myself, so I just go over the ends of my hair with my hair straightener until they're straight, and you're probably concerned about damage, but I promise you that my hair is almost indestructible. That's how coarse it is. So yeah, now that we've got my hair done and I don't look like a crazy cat lady, it's time to get changed. So the outfit that I'm wearing, it isn't anything special. It's super comfy, but I am going to throw on a pair of heels because I like the extra height. The top that I'm wearing is by Target. This is their boyfriend shirt. It is super comfortable, and I love the fact that it's nice and pale and light, and it goes really well with my pale jeans, which are also by Target. Now, I'm just going to tell you straight away that I am really bad at describing clothing, so I apologize in advance, but yeah, they just have this zipper detailing at the bottom, and all I'm going to do now is do a happy dance around my shoes. These are mules. They are the most comfortable pair of heels that I own. And that's it, guys. That is the hair, the makeup, and the outfit done and dusted. I'm ready to head out the door. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me video. See you next time. Bye! Just want to show you guys my jeans. They're like so comfy and... Oh, why would you close? Well, that's an IKEA drawer for you, people. Yay, you made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked out my previous video, then please do so now by clicking on the picture that you see right here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos with me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!